Hi everyone, welcome again to Essa's Corner, and for today I will be showing you my makeup process. Yes, makeup application process. I will just be showing you how I put on my makeup, how I like my makeup, which is not much because I always go for the minimalist kind. Because first one, I don't know how to to do those really amazing with bronzer. I don't know how to do those. And every time I do those, I look really old. So I just, you know what, step back. I'll do what I know, which is just the regular foundation and then a bit of a blush, a bit of an eye makeup. Because yeah, I don't know how to actually do my makeup. That is a skill that I am yet to actually learn. And then second of that, I mostly work from home anyway, so I don't go out of the house, so I don't exactly need that much of a heavy makeup. But at the same time, I work part-time in a sports club, which I train as well afterwards. So I work 4 to 7:30, 8 o'clock. After work, I immediately go train. It's a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu club. So if you know Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, we wear those gis. In our club, we are allowed to wear black, blue, and white. When I first started doing this sport, I just put a bit of foundation on my face. And then we started sparring. And my foundation and makeup are all over their white gi. Saw that, experienced that firsthand. I'm so embarrassed and I was thinking I'll not do that again. So yes, I can't exactly wear makeup. So that's one, two, what else? This will just be a very simple video. I use Glossier for my foundation, or when the temperature dropped. So sometimes I use this NARS Stromboli, but then I noticed that this color is a bit lighter than my normal skin shade. I'll show you. This side is the Stromboli one. It is alright, but it's probably because my skin adjusted already after summer. So this is the Stromboli side. And then I use this Glossier Medium Tan 3. Could you see it? Medium Tan 3 is on this side. Yeah, this is a lot tanner now. So I use this Glossier, how do you pronounce it? Glossier? Every summer. And then this, could you see the difference? I use this as my summer tone, and then this NARS Stromboli during cooler season, autumn and winter specifically. Because usually with autumn, I still got that tan, so I still use the Glossier until my color change. So which one works best? I think I'll still use my Glossier because it adds a bit of a tan and color on my face. And then now I'll be walking around with so I just put like a dab of moisturizer on my face. As you'll notice, I've got pimples. We are not hiding that pimples. It is there. It exists. People have seen me with that pimple already, so we're not exactly hiding them. I wash my hands, by the way. So yeah, that's foundation done. So this is what I'm wearing at the moment, Glossier. And then I usually just I'm one of those that just use my cheek and lip tint everywhere. So at the moment we are using Milk Makeup's Quirk. Let's see how. So I think it melted at one point, so now I can't screw it for it to be lifted, which is annoying, but hey. So let's just put so I can't even do that, but that's all right. Just use this to lift my face. What I do, I put a bit here as well, and I put, so it looks like I've got a tan around bridge of my nose And then up here. It's just I do. There you go. And then a bit on my forehead. Yeah. Color on my face. Then I put it in a bit on my ear. My eyes. Bit of my eyes. I'm one of those girls that is high maintenance, so I could be low maintenance. So with my eyebrows, I had it microbladed. I need to go back. I had it microbladed last year, January, around this time. So I need to go back for a top up. But then, because I noticed that, especially the one inside starting to fade. So I need to have it topped up, but they are still dark. So I had that done. And then for my eyelashes, I had it lifted. I do the lash lifting myself, so if they're not that good, because I do it myself. It's difficult to do it yourself, but I did it myself. So yay for me. So I do my lash lift myself. I used to do my eyebrows as well, like, what do you call that? Sellotape? What do you call that? Laminate. I used to laminate, so when I lift my eyelashes, I also laminate my eyebrows. But now I just go have it microbladed and then have it done and over with. So yeah, this is the look. And then just a lipstick. My go-to lipstick at the moment is this Gege Bear. This one. This is number 2 color. I'll show you the color of this one. I'll show you the color. This is number 2. I use this. It's very light red, which goes well with my skin tone. Gege Bear number 2. And this is the number 3. See, it's already, I've used it a lot compared to my number 3 is my everyday wear. Number 3, if you could see it. Number 3. This is my everyday wear. And then number 2 is probably on special occasions. So this is number 2, see? And this is number 3. Which one? Guess which one I used mostly. So number 3, this got this color. Where can I put this? They got this color, number 3. Comparison. You know what? I'll put it on top. There you go. Number 3. Could you see it? Could see my face. I need to stop the face tracking of my phone and then put it on my face. So this is my look. My go-to look. If I got time, if I've got a bit of time, could probably, I need a brown of this one. Do I think I just messed it up. Ignore this part. Yeah, so just do that. But most of the time, this is the look that I do. And then use e.l.f. foundation for my just to seal it. And that's it. This is the look. I told you, it's not much. No, I think I put a bit much foundation in there, but it's not much. This is my go-to make everyday makeup. I know I still need to learn a lot on how to put on. It's just what throws me off usually with wearing makeup is that because I don't know how to put them and I don't know what goes well with my skin and whatnot. And I frequently have dry skin anyway. So it just looks, it's either my face gets dark, it turns really dark in comparison to my neck, and growing up that's all constantly my problem, and I grew up with pimples as well. So I would put on makeup, they sit quite well, and then once they've oxidized, my face gets really dark in comparison to my neck. So that's constantly been a problem growing up. And then now, after I put on some makeup, I look really old. I have no qualms about getting old, okay? It's just that I don't like to look old, to be honest. I don't want to look old. I want to look wise. The only time that I'll be wearing glamorous makeup is when I am invited to go somewhere. And obviously, if you're going somewhere really nice and glamorous, you want to look your best. And that's why you wear makeup. And as it turns out, looking my best makes me look, I don't know, 10 years older than I actually is. I'm already 40, okay? So yeah, so that's why I need to learn how to do makeup. I kept on thinking that, you know what, Vanessa, you need to learn how to put makeup on. But yes, let's take care of my skin first. Because I've got spots, I've got spots, I've got spots, I've got spots, and I've got dry skin. Anyway, thank you again for keeping me company, and welcome again to SS Corner. And please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't know, I am doing, because yes, I've got spots everywhere on my face. I'm currently doing a 2-week challenge of using Mishas Vita C spot correcting toner ampule pad and spot correcting concentrate ampule to combat and to fix the spots and my dry skin, to see how it fares to the challenge. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll post it somewhere here on this video. And thank you again for watching, and until next time, this is SS Corner, and that's it. Bye bye.